Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall a TikTok on Android. Now let's get started. First, if you wanna uninstall a TikTok apps, you just click or press on a TikTok apps, and after this you can click on the uninstall. It's so simple. Or you can go to a Play Store, and after this you can search a TikTok apps like this, and after this you can go to a TikTok like this. And if you wanna uninstall this TikTok, so you just click on the uninstall in here. It's so simple. That's how to uninstall a TikTok on your phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.